Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video we are going to do the unboxing of the dual pen drive which is having a Type-C connector also. This is by SanDisk. I have already done a review of the previous pen drive, the similar one, metallic, the dual lux. We are also going to do another video which can compare it with this. So in this particular video guys, we are going to talk everything regarding the unboxing and how it feels in the hand. So please watch this particular video till the end and let's get started. Let us just unbox the Dual Drive Go by SanDisk. It is one of the very few pen drive which comes with the Type-C connector, and it is USB 3.1 as you can see over here, and it claims up to 150 Mbps of the read speed. And let us also check in the end of this particular video, so please watch this particular till the end. And in this particular video we are going to unbox and also test the speed of this particular pen drive. And I'd been using the Dual Lux for a very long time, about a year, and this is almost similar to that pen drive, except the fact that this is a plastic body and that one is a metallic body. Also we have done the in-depth review of that, so you all can check out on our channel. So here is the pen drive which we have it, and from the looks guys, it really looks good. I would say a matte black kind of thing, and the build quality is sort of okayish, nothing so great about it. And I like this wheel design, but it doesn't feel that premium like the Lux. So if that is the highest priority, if you all are going for the look, Lux is the pen drive, and there is hardly difference between the price of this particular pen drive and the other one. I got this for around 800 rupees on Flipkart, and by that time I'm posting this particular video, the price might have gone up. And you all can get it from Flipkart. I'll be giving the link in the description, so please do check it out. And here is the pen drive, and this is how it looks. It is nothing so flashy and all, but it is very lightweight, I would say, and extremely good carry if you are using an Android phone or a PC which have the Type-C connector. So highly recommended for the price range, and if you want great speed, then this is the pen drive to get. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell notification icon to get any future videos whenever we upload them. Also guys, please follow us on social media. The link is @CreativeSoft. So let us just connect this to our computer and check out what is the read-write speed we are getting, whether the claim that is 150 Mbps of the SanDisk is true or not. We are using something called as Crystal Disk Mark for this, and after selecting it, I'll be just starting off with the benchmark of it. I'm using this common benchmark for all the pen drives that we are testing at CreativeSoft. So also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button, and make sure you all are subscribing to this particular channel, and also sharing this particular video with your friends and family, or anyone who is looking to buy this particular pen drive. And as you can see, the read speeds are quite good. I can say it is almost like 142 Mbps, although it is very difficult to get the claim speed of 150, but again the difference is marginal, around 8 Mbps less, and this can be due to a lot of facts, maybe because of the overheating and other stuff. By the way, this pen drive does not get so much hot compared to the Lux because it is made from plastic, and the build quality is sort of average, I would say. Wouldn't last you long, but if you are planning to use this for maybe 1 to 2 years, you have to get it. But if you are planning to get this particular pen drive just for a long-term use, then I would highly recommend going for the Dual Lux pen drive, which we have also done the unboxing, and I'll be linking in the cards over here, so please do check that out too. And let us just wait till the write speed etc, because the read speed is kind of promising. Only thing, you all should have a USB 3.1 or Type-C, because I am connected to the Thunderbolt of this particular pen drive. Connected the port of Thunderbolt to the Type-C, and this is the best you can get on a Thunderbolt, because Type-C have some sort of limitations guys. I don't want to get into detail about it, and some people might be having USB 3.1 and 2.1 3.1 and 3.2, and even the Thunderbolt, because usually I have the USB as Thunderbolt, so I'm connecting and testing it. And the write speed, if you see, it is 42 Mbps, to 40 Mbps, which is quite good. And I would say it is average, not the best, because if you're buying this particular pen drive for basically a right kind of thing, then I wouldn't recommend going for this. And the dual lux pen drive makes it a better sense. Again guys, these are my honest opinion. SanDisk or anybody have not provided this particular pen drive for the review etc. I've purchased this from my own money on Flipkart for about 800 rupees. Again, the price will vary when you are buying this particular pen drive, so please do keep in mind. Also guys, let me know in the comments below what do you think about this kind of pen drive, whether I should do more reviews on pen drives and the speed test etc. Also let me know which pen drive you would like to you want me to test. And if you see, the read write speed is quite ordinary I would say, and very good for that particular price range for 64 GB. Also guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and also do check out these other cool videos which we have, because there is something new to learn on Creative Soft.